Alright, what's up traders? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's actually being recorded on Friday, but it's being released on Saturday. I'm basically going to show you guys how I scan the markets daily using the Birb Nest market scanner. So what I will do is I will bring up the market scanner, I will go through it just like I do on a daily basis, and we'll see if we can find some setups together, right? All right, so let's go. All right, so above me here, you'll see the market scanner, and this is available in the market scanner channel in the Birb Nest. So basically, what we're going to be looking at today is every altcoin that, and I'm going to do, take a look at only the BTC pairs, right? So we're gonna take a look at any altcoins that has are all 4 timeframes bullish. So we're looking at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and weekly. Now this is something I do on a daily basis to find good alt setup. So definitely, if you're not in the Birb Nest, you need to check it out, right? It's the birbnest.com. The link is in the description below. You get lots of tools like this one in your membership, so definitely check that out. If you get any questions about the Birb Nest or Birb Nest membership or anything like that, feel free to send me a question in the comments, send me a DM on Twitter, send me a DM on Discord, whatever. You can find me. I'm probably most available on Twitter, so definitely send me a DM there if you have any questions. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the first one down here, which is BQX, whatever. Voyager. Right, so obviously looking very, very bullish right here. I mean, the market scanner ain't lying, right? So we're going to take a look at the weekly time frame first. This is a pretty massive move right here. So what I would be looking for on this one is I would first put on the fib levels to see if we can find any proper retracement areas, and I can definitely see an interesting area right here, and that's the RLC, right? So let's just put that on the chart right away. Here's the RLC, right? Let's go down into the daily. Do we have any moving averages confluent with that area? And we do, right? We have the 21 EMA confluent with this level, and it's also, you could argue that this is the breakout level, right? So on this one, I would love to get an entry down in this region right here. So that's where I would be looking for a potential bounce and a long on. Now looking on the 4 hour, on the lower time frames, on the 4 hour, right, got another interesting level. Let's add a new fib here. We can now see that we have the, let's change colors on this one. So I definitely like this area right here. I would definitely look for a potential bounce on a retest here. All right, so that's that one. Let's move on to the next one, which is SNM BTC. All right, so how's that looking on the weekly time frame? Yeah, this is looking quite good actually. We have bounced off the 21 EMA and weekly. I'm gonna mark out that level. This is the 21 EMA and weekly. Go down into the daily. Also got the 200 simple, the 21 EMA, the 200 EMA. So yeah, I'm liking this one actually. I do really like this one. So we got a resistance area right here. I would not like to enter right here because it's quite strong resistance area, right? But I'm gonna mark it out and I'm gonna see how this develops come, you know, tomorrow, which is Saturday. So everything that I'm actually looking at, like everything I'm looking at now, you could actually, you know, you watch this video tomorrow and price might have you know, developed nicely. And what I would like to see here is a break and retest of this red box resistance, right? So that's SONM. Gonna add this to we're just gonna add this to green, that because I like it, right? Next one we're gonna take a look at is MTHBTC. Well, it's looking similar, right? So we had a break and retest of the 21 EMA weekly. I like that. Also have a very obvious level right here that I need to mark out right there. Go down into the daily. We can also see that this is confluent with the right in the middle of the 200 EMA and the 200 simple. So I do really like that area. We have another level above here. I would like to mark out that area. So we're just going to put a level right here. Do like that. We go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour we have this level above, right? That's obviously an area I would be watching, looking at the daily at that area. Yeah, definitely. So why this is a potential setup right here, right? So I would be looking at a break and retest. Well, actually, it has had a very nice bounce here, but I'm worried that we're not gonna get above this area, so we need to mark out that one. We go to 4 hour. I like this for a potential long, or something like this, right? Top below that one. I mean, to take profits on this one is quite good, right? You can get 2R up to that area, which would be your first trouble area. That's definitely interesting, right? First take profit 2R, that's perfect. This is definitely something I'm watching, right? Adding that one, we got the VIB, Vibrate BTC, weekly, bouncing up to 21 EMA and weekly, just like the other ones, right? We are seeing on the daily, we're also seeing a bounce and reclaim after 200 EMA and 200 simple. Very interesting right here. We're coming up to a very strong resistance area right here. We need to mark out this area as resistance, and I would like to long a break and retest of this area. That's what I'm watching on this one, adding this to the green list too. Alright, so another one we're watching is Blue Cell. Now this have had a very strong move recently, so quite hard for me to get in on something like this, but we have the weekly 55 EMA right here. We're gonna go to the daily. We also have the daily 21 EMA here, and we have a very nice daily uptrend. We're running into resistance now, and the area I'm watching is actually this 895 area. So I would want to see a reclaim of the 895 area for this daily trend to continue. In case we get a retrace here, I would like to get some fibs on here to actually see, do we have anything interesting areas with the fibs that's confluent with this area. And yeah, I like the fact that we have the weekly 55 EMA right in the middle of the RLC right here, confluent with this last high B breakout. So definitely watching that area for a pullback on Blue Cell. And here's another one I really like. It's Pearl BTC, Perlin versus Bitcoin. I just got to add some fibs here quickly to see where we have the the RLC and the fib level. So we actually have the RLC down here confluent with the breakout level, when we also have the 21 EMA, the 55 EMA, the 200 simple, and the 2 right inside the RLC. And we got some interesting retracement levels here. We got the area between the 382 and the 50% level right here. So I really like that confluence. But the thing I like the most is this green box right here. We're gonna go down into the 4-hour, and I'm actually getting interested in a long here because we have the 236 right here. I really like that one, and it's also the last, kind of like the last highs here. I do like this area for a potential long. And if you put on the fibs of this move right here, there might be some nice confluence here actually. Yeah, I like that. I mean, how could you not be liking that, right? So yeah. That looks really good actually. Might get in a, might post a call on this one. Let's see how would that trade look like. Let's see. Long on the 618. Stop below that low. I would put my, probably take some off here at the highs, but I would then look at if we can find some confluence with these fibs here. I would actually like to see this one run all the way up to this level right here. So yeah, I like this one. Very interesting. I'm gonna talk to the team about this one and see if we can make a setup on this one. All right, so here's where's my microphone? Here's my here's the microphone. Sorry guys. So yeah, here's another one that I think is very interesting. We are at a very, you know what? I'm just gonna mark out this whole area right here. It's a big area for sure. It really is. But I think, you know, this really is the area that needs to break, right? So we broke this area to the downside in December 2019, and we haven't really figured, price haven't really figured out how to get above it, or something like that, right? So the daily trend is quite strong. If we get a break and retest of this area, I would love to get long. So that's OAX. All right, and here's CMT BTC. I think I'm seeing something here, right? So we're gonna add a, I think we're gonna add a buy zone, a green box support right here, and it's going to be up to these candle closes above. So I like that area. How big is this one? Not too big, only 3%. So in relationship to past price action, it's definitely relevant to use that whole zone. I like the fact that 200 EMA is right below. I would be waiting for the daily close above the 200 EMA, the purple line, and then possibly long a retest. That's what I'm watching on CBT. All right, so this is one BTC. Now this is actually going to be the last one because it's almost well, it's too late here, and I need to get some sleep. So because I'm getting up early tomorrow, so this is going to be the last one. Like I said, if I see any setups, like activated setups on this, I will post them in Birb Nest channel. So let's see. One, very beautiful daily uptrend, and we're getting a, you know, bounce, you know, breaking retest after breaking retest after breaking retest, looking absolutely. Now the level we are watching is this one. Daily moving averages, well, I don't really have much to say about the daily moving averages because they are way far down, right? This, however, this level that we are trading around right now, I do really like. We have the bounce right here. Let's look on the hourly. I mean, this is looking quite good. This is quite good. I mean, yeah, How big is that? Yeah, so right now I'm not sure really what I want to do with this one. I want to wait till tomorrow. I want to see where this daily candle closes. We might get a chance to enter on a break and retest above this level. So let's say the high here on the 4 hour, looking at this level in particular. So yeah, this right here, this is the area that I'm looking for a break and retest. All right, guys. So that's just a little quick video for you guys where how and where I hunt the altcoin setup. So I use the market scanner in the Birb Nest channel. The Birb Nest Discord have a specific channel for the market scanner. If you want to know more about this, go visit thebirbnest.com or send me a DM or comment or whatever. If you want to try it out for free, if you're interested in trying out this tool for free, send me a DM on Twitter and I will sort you out. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. See you guys tomorrow. And don't forget, tomorrow we have a live stream on Sunday around 8 p.m. Central European Standard Time or whatever it's called, doing a live stream. So come join me tomorrow and we will take a look at whatever you want. Alright guys, take care and have a great weekend.